Old-timey weather prediction often proves as reliable, if not more so, than today's hit-and-miss predictions. Have you ever wondered about the old-timers' weather prediction? Old weather sayings were part science and part old wives' tales weather sayings. How many of these old-timey weather sayings do you know? This is an old nautical saying, but did you know it's from the Bible? Jesus said, "When it is evening, ye say, it will be fair weather, for the sky is red. And in the morning, it will be foul weather today, for the sky is red and lowering." It's from Matthew 16 verses 2-3. The woolly bear caterpillar will grow longer, wider black bands when it is going to be a longer, colder winter with more winter precipitation. An all-black woolly bear would indicate a harsh winter. When the winter is going to be average or below average, the middle brown band will be wider. So a woolly bear with lots of brown or mostly brown would mean an average or milder winter. It's said the band that is the widest indicates which part of winter will be the worst. Wispy, thin clouds indicate a spell of nice weather. Don't confuse chemtrails with these types of clouds. Crickets and grasshoppers chirp faster when the air is warmer and slower when the air is cooler. This method of telling the temperature is very accurate. Because dew forms in clear, dry atmospheric conditions, you know it won't rain on the days you find morning dew. The earth has cooled quickly because of dry conditions, so you can expect no rain. Smoke particles absorb moisture in the air and become heavy as they do. The greater the moisture, the more the smoke particles will absorb. When the smoke is so heavy it cannot rise and drift away, you'll know it's about to rain. Cloud cover traps heat at the Earth's surface. A clear moon means there is no cloud cover, so the Earth will cool quickly when the sun goes down. This means you can expect to wake up to a cool morning and maybe even frost. Tall clouds that look like colossal cotton balls are innocent. When they begin to take on a tower shape and turn dark, you can be sure a storm is brewing, so you should watch for foul weather. Bees are busy gathering pollen in July, as the season change is approaching fast. They only swarm at this time of year when it will be dry for a while. Scent molecules have more difficulty sticking around when the weather is dry. When the air is high in humidity, smells stay low to the ground and are more robust. Birds are affected by barometric pressure. If you see them flying high, the barometric pressure is high, and the weather is good. If you see them flying low, the barometric pressure is low, and the weather is changing for the worse. While no scientific proof exists, many farmers swear by it. My husband knew an old farmer who knew many ways to predict the weather with his cows. He once bet he could beat the local weatherman for a month. He was right 29 out of 30 times. Light refracts as it passes through ice crystals in the upper atmosphere, forming a ring or halo around the moon. As the ice crystals move over the tops of high storm clouds, they form the appearance of a ring around the moon. Spider webs absorb moisture from the air, which causes them to become heavy and break. They are super sensitive to when it will be moist or wet, so they tend to hide and wait for the weather to pass before they build again. So if you see them spinning their webs everywhere, you can know it will be nice weather, said the spider to the fly. The full article is pinned in the comments. I look forward to reading your weather sayings.